What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix your packet loss. Also, this will fix some potential choke and lag while playing Fortnite, reducing your latency, and all of this is applicable to any other online game you want to play. With that said, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have a reliable connection to the internet. You can test your connection on various websites, like speedtest.net. Everything you need for this tutorial will be in the description below. Check your internet speed and ping. You can always improve your connection to the internet by using an Ethernet cable if you don't already use one. Next, open up your command prompt by searching for CMD. Here you can check your ping again by typing ping google.com to check your latency to Google servers. Now type ipconfig/flushdns to flush and reset the content of the DNS resolver cache. Now that this is done, you can exit the command prompt and open your task manager. Open up your resource monitor from here, as you can see in the video. Go to the network tab. Here you can see all of the processes using your internet connection. This might be Steam or your browser running in the background. I recommend to only end the processes which you know won't break your operating system. In my case that would be Steam, Spotify and so on. After that, right-click on your internet icon and go to the Network and Sharing Center. There are different ways to get there, depending on which operating system you use. Now click on Ethernet. On the new window, click on Properties and then on Configure. Finally, go to Advanced. Here you can check the description on which properties to disable. I will go through some you want to disable. Energy efficient Ethernet, for example, the green Ethernet and so on. On maximum numbers of RSS queues, you want to select the highest amount. In my case, it is 4 queues. Finally, open up your Epic Games launcher. Click on the little gear icon in the top right. Open Fortnite and select More command line arguments. Here you want to type or paste from the description the argument limit client ticks to force the throttling of network updates. This will eventually even out your bandwidth for playing Fortnite, thus having a much more stable connection to the Epic Games servers. As always, and this applies to every performance aspect of your PC, make sure that your OS and drivers are up to date to make the most out of your components. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.